So the next function is concatenate function. So the concatenate function is used to combine the information or data given in two columns and display it in third column. Now suppose if in this table, if you want to combine the first name and the last name, and if you want to display the combined value in the third column, then you can easily do it with the help of concatenate function. So let me show you how to do it. So select this cell in the third column and just type equal to concatenate parenthesis, and now you have to select the data in the first column. So just select the first name, which is B4. Now give comma, and now you have to select the data in the second column, which is last name. So just select it. Now type closing parenthesis and now hit enter. And now you can see that it is showing us the combined value or combined data in the third column. Now if you want to copy this formula in the other cell also, then what you have to do is just take the mouse cursor to the bottom right corner of the cell. So you can see that the icon is now changed. Now just drag it till the end like this, and you can see that it has copied the formula in other cell also, and you can see that it is showing us the combined value of data in column 1 and column 2. Now you can see that there is no space between the first name and the last name, and if you want to give the space between the first name and the last name, then you have to change the concatenate function. So what you have to do is just click on this cell and type equal to concatenate parenthesis. Now select the first name, give comma, and now type double quotes, give space using the space bar. Now type double quotes, give comma, and now select the last name. Now type parenthesis and hit enter. So you can now see that it is showing us the space between first name and last name. Now just copy it in the other cell, and now you can do the formatting. So this is how you can use the concatenate function.